scholars. My name is Kate Hay, and I would like to welcome you to ELIC 20. Today I wanted to show you how our class will go this semester and how to navigate our class in Canvas. And to do that, I would like you all to go to mgc.edu. In the right upper corner, you will see Canvas. When you click on that, it will take you to your Canvas account. Many of you will have to sign in or log in to your account. But once you're in, you will see different courses. If you took only one course this semester, you will only see our course. But if you've taken more, you will see more. So each shell, we call those shells, stands for just one course. So when you click on our course here, it will take you to our welcome page. And in our welcome page, you will see information about me, how to contact me, also the days and times for our class that will meet every Tuesday and Thursday starting at 9:30 a.m. So please be on time. And also when our office hours are. Also, on top of that, you will have 3 different buttons to click. The first one is modules. Modules are very important, and I will talk in detail in just a couple of minutes. But you will also have here class Zoom link. This is the link that you will need to click on every Tuesday and Thursday morning to meet in our class. Don't confuse it with this link. This is also a Zoom link, but this is only for office hours. My office hours are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays in the afternoon. They all start at 1:30 p.m. So if you ever click on the Zoom link and you see that nobody is there for our class, you're probably clicking on the wrong one. So make sure to come back and click on the class Zoom link. What are modules? When you click on modules, and to get to modules, you can also get there from this column. Modules is where everything that you need, all your assignments, all information that I put for you together will be there. So as you can see, the first one that I would like you to look at is the course introduction. And if you have any time before we meet on Tuesday this week, I would like you to go through the course introduction module. Here you can see what I just did. When you click on that little arrow, when it goes down, it shows you everything that we have in that one module. So as you can see, there's a lot of information in the course introduction module, but I would like you to go through every single page here and read it very carefully. I put a lot of information there for you to make your semester a little bit easier for you. But again, if you don't read it, you won't know all this information. So you may have already received my letter that I sent out last week regarding our textbook information. Textbooks I already checked are available in the bookstore at Modesto Junior College. So make sure to get your books this coming week as soon as possible. This week's timeline will show you what your homework assignments are, and basically your homework assignment for this week will be to go through the whole course introduction module and also go through the week 1 module. About week 1, we will talk about this one in class when we meet on Tuesday. So you will see a lot of information here. Like I said, please go through every single page and let me know if you have any questions on Tuesday when we meet. I also wanted to show you that each page looks a little bit different, and it's because each page has a little bit different function. So if you look at this kind of symbol here, these are all the same. These are just pages, and that's exactly what it is. These are not assignments usually. This is just a page, but information put into this page is extremely important. Some students just say, oh, I'll just go through, surveys or assignments, because these will give me points, but very often all the information that you need in order to get those points is in those pages. So make sure to go through every single one. Start with the first one, go to the next one, next one, next one, and that's how you will finish the entire module. Another thing I wanted to show you, and we'll talk in detail on Tuesday, is open discussion forums. So feel free to click on that and see what they are. Late assignments opportunity. Every student will have 2 chances to submit late assignments. So make sure you respect the due dates, as they will be very important. And treat those opportunities, those 2 late assignment opportunities, as kind of an emergency. In case something happens, you get sick, or you have some sort of emergency, that's when you can use that opportunity. Again, when you go to that home page, I'll show you one more time, where you have Zoom information. Those 2 buttons that you can click, you can also see them in those modules there. It's just another place for you to be able to click on those Zoom links. So that's the Zoom information. Any class materials that I will share in class will usually go into weekly modules, but if there's something that we will use every single week, instead of putting it into weekly modules, I just put it as class materials. So you can also click on that and see what they are. And very quickly, every week, on Tuesdays, I will open a new module for you, and I'll do it usually either during our class or right after the class. The module will start with a little welcome message. The welcome message will tell you what we will do that week, and then you will have the week's timeline, which means kind of you will see your homework and the due dates when you will have to do your homework. The rest of it will go together in class. Some of them will be your assignments. Some of them will be just pages with information. But again, all of this will be discussed during the week. And you will see every week you will have a new module with new information to kind of guide you through that week, what to do and how to do it. So this is it. Again, if you look at this column, because this is the teacher's page, you see more things than, actually I can do student view, more things that you will see in your account. But this is what you should be able to see. You should have homework. Home button, where you will have my information and the 3 buttons that we talked about. Here's where you can view your grades. Name Coach is one assignment that will be assigned the first week, and I will talk about this in class, and then modules. So pay attention to this, as this will help you navigate Canvas a little bit more. Well, welcome again, everyone. I am so looking forward to meeting all of you on Tuesday. Have a wonderful rest of the weekend, and I will see you very soon. Take care.